Right guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to see if this will work okay. I'm in a little bit of trouble with the gimbal today. Got the black pearl there. That's back open. Got a few in. A little bit in the cold up here, so yeah. Got the screens up still. One of the most famous bars when it's sunny down this end. Beds. Guys, if you see yourself in the videos, let me know. Stop on this side. Got Riviera over there. Loads outside there. Supposed to be a good place, good food over there. Oh yeah. So we're going to carry on having a walk down. I didn't go over there because they got a bit of music on. As with the next bar down. Calypso, what's the bar called, Marcus?
Terrazzo Calypso.
It's called what?
Terrazzo Calypso.
There you go. Yeah, so getting back to the normal, guys. And start getting a bit of copyright again, I suppose, on the videos. Explorer Club, nobody in there. Not got the sun on there, so don't really want to go and sit in the cold here. Yeah, I'm probably all out the front now in the, what's that bar called now? Western Saloon. Yeah, I didn't know that one, Marcus. Oh. What you playing on there? Well, we're here, we'll just show you what the Ambassador got on tonight. It's called the Ambassador, it's called the Explorers Club, I don't know.
Called the Explorers Club.
What are we on?
Friday. 9 o'clock is Lee Joel.
Hang on a minute.
Found it?
I got it, yep.
9 o'clock is Lee Joel with a tribute to reggae. Then you have Roadhouse on at 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock is the Godfather, and finishing your night off at 12 PM a disco till late.
So everybody goes home, I take it. Over the road we've got the... Hey, what it was again, Marcus?
Terrazzo Calypso.
Terrazzo Calypso.
And then say from...
Julia, busy bar. We've got our friend in there doing some singing. Not there today. Gonna get cross over the road here now and go down by the Flash and carry on down. There you go, that's good parking for you in Spain. Right on the zigzags. Seem to park anywhere here. On the crossing. Everywhere. Yeah, anywhere and everywhere, like Marcus just said. Fast looks pretty busy. Loads of people in there. We've got something on, I think. Not sure. Or just music. Maybe just music. We have acts on in there in the day. Yeah, so let's keep talking while we're going past there. See if we can get away with it. I don't know. Coming that time again. Everybody's music's going up a bit. Get people in. Okay, I think the camera's gone too dark again. There we go. There's the new Easy Hire shop. If you're stopping down this, you want an Easy Hire scooter, you are allowed to charge them there. Would I recommend it? You probably know the answer to that. Yeah. Anyway, I'll bring it up. Sure we do well around the bars today. You have to stop putting shorts on, Marcus, look like a tourist.
Well, if I put my trackies back on, I'll be sweating up mad.
So Pelicanos there.
Alright, Dad, let's go past before the manager comes out and grabs us,
What have we been doing in there, Marcus?
Don't you remember the message I got last night of Salpa manager?
They're all there.
Being reported to the police.
Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, Marcus filmed by there the other day and he was wondering why there wasn't an investigation into the lass that
fell off the balcony.
Yeah, she fell off the balcony. Fortunately died. And Marcus did it on a film, mentioned it on a film. And he had a note off the manager there. I.e. manager. I don't think it really was the manager, but yeah. That you want him to take the video down and stuff. Freedom of speech not good for their image, I don't suppose, but you know. We didn't hear any more about it anyway, guys, so whether it was covered up, I don't know. Of course, if you are asked to take something down, of course you won't. Not unless they give you some credentials. Solicitor will probably do it, yeah. Anyway, buy the silver dollar now. Went in there today. And come up by the Piccadilly. There'll be a few in there today. I've done this one a few times, like Mariano's there, they've got the doors open there. Yeah, someone's back, guys. Hopefully it's just starting now. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to watch more from Benidorm, watch what's coming up in the card. And whatever you do today, don't forget to smile. See you on the next one. Bye.